proof for the Kirchhoff law is as like if we place a body inside a isothermal enclosure. Isothermal means temperature remains isothermal. It means temperature remain constant when dq amount of heat energy is incident on this dq amount of heat energy is incident on the surface, on the unit area of the surface in 1 second. This dq amount of heat energy having wavelength range from lambda to lambda plus d lambda. When this dq amount of heat energy having wavelength range lambda to lambda plus d lambda is incident on the unit area of the surface in 1 second, then or if the a lambda is the absorptive power of the surface of the body, as we have discussed earlier, absorptive power, it means the amount of energy absorbed by the body per unit area in 1 second. So if a lambda is the absorptive power of the body, then total amount of heat energy absorbed by the surface, unit area surface in single second will be equal to a lambda into dq. See it again. If a lambda is the absorptive power, it means the amount of heat absorbed will depend on this factor a lambda. It will tell us about the amount of energy absorption. So if we fall dq amount of heat radiation on a on the body surface, and if a lambda tells us about how much amount of the energy the body would absorb, so the total amount of heat energy absorbed by this surface will be equal to a lambda multiplied by dq. So if this is the amount of energy absorbed, so the amount of energy reflected, or we can say transmitted, in this case will be equal to, like we have incident dq amount of heat, incident heat energy is equal to dq, and absorbed amount of this heat energy is a lambda into dq. This is the absorbed heat energy. This much amount of heat energy we have incident on the body, and amount of heat energy absorbed out of this dq amount is a lambda into dq. So the amount of heat energy which will be reflected or transmitted will be equal to dq. It is the total amount of heat energy minus a lambda into dq. मीन्स हमने जो हीट एनर्जी फॉल की है उसका अमाउंट टोटल है डी क्यू। अगर उसमें से हम इतना अमाउंट सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे कि जितना अमाउंट उस बॉडी ने एब्जॉर्ब किया है, तो जो रिमेनिंग अमाउंट होगा इट मीन्स वो अमाउंट कहाँ जाएगा, इधर इट विल बी रिफ्लेक्टेड और इट मे बी ट्रांसमिटेड। सो इट विल बी डी क्यू माइनस ए लैम्डा इंटू डी क्यू. If now as in thermal radiation we have discussed earlier, if some body is some thermal radiation is incident on the body, so there will be if there is like I'm saying, if thermal radiation of some wavelength is incident on the surface of a body, thermal radiation of wavelength range of some wavelength range, if thermal radiation of some wavelength range is incident on the surface of body, so if there is absorption of this thermal radiation, then there will be the emission of thermal radiation of all the wavelength which we have incident on this body. Like we say in case of black body, it is a good absorber as well as good emitter. It means जितनी वो थर्मल रेडिएशन को एब्जॉर्ब करेगा, जितनी भी वेवलेंथ को वह एब्जॉर्ब करेगा थर्मल रेडिएशन की वेवलेंथ को, उतनी ही वेवलेंथ को क्या करेगा, एमिट आउट करेगा. लाइक इन दिस केस इफ decay amount of heat energy is incident on this black on this body, so if अगर ये amount of thermal radiation को absorb कर रहा है और इसकी amount of absorption कितनी है, absorptive power a lambda is the absorptive power. So if we say a lambda is the emissive power of this body, and if E lambda is the emissive power of this body, then the amount of heat energy, that is amount of heat energy radiated by this body will be equal to amount of heat energy radiated by this body in the wavelength range lambda to lambda plus d lambda will be equal to E lambda into d lambda. Here E lambda is the emissive power. So for the equilibrium condition, we have the equation dq is equal to this amount plus E lambda into d lambda. लाइक जितना बॉडी रिसीव करेगी हीट एनर्जी को, उतना ही अमाउंट होना चाहिए उसकी एब्जॉर्प्शन का और एमिशन का, कि कितना उस बॉडी ने रिसीव किया है, वो जो पार्ट है रिसीविंग पार्ट वो कहाँ कहाँ यूटिलाइज किया है. लाइक अगर उसने डीके अमाउंट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी रिसीव किया है, तो अगर उसने ए लैम्डा इंटू डी क्यू एब्जॉर्ब किया, तो रिमेनिंग जो पार्ट था वो इधर इट विल बी ट्रांसमिटेड और रिफ्लेक्टेड, और जितना पार्ट उसने रिसीव एब्जॉर्ब किया था उसके कोरस्पॉन्डिंग हमें क्या मिलेगा, उसकी एक एमिसिव पावर होगी ब्लैक बॉडी की, जो अमाउंट होगा ई लैम्डा इंटू डी लैम्डा. सो ऑन सॉल्विंग दिस इक्वेशन डी क्यू विल बी इक्वल टू डी क्यू, इफ वी टेक कॉमन 1 माइनस ई लैम्डा प्लस ई लैम्डा इंटू डी लैम्डा, E lambda into d lambda. So on solving this equation, dq minus a lambda into dq plus E lambda into d lambda It will be dq. So dq will be cancelled out. E lambda into d lambda will be equal to a lambda into dq. So if we take this body as we have taken inside a isothermal enclosure, if that body was a black body, if we consider that body as a black body, then a lambda in this case will be equal to 1. It means when we fall thermal radiation, or we can say when we incident heat radiation on this black body, then the absorptive power of this black body will be equal to 1. So if this is a black body and absorptive power is 1, then the maximum amount of the energy radiation emitted by this black body, or we can say maximum value of this E lambda, that is the emissive power of any body. But if we take this as a black body, then we will denote E lambda as equal to capital E lambda. This one is for black body. If we take this as this for black body, so by putting these two substitution here, then E lambda will be replaced by capital E lambda. Here it will be D lambda. E lambda is 1 and here it is dq. So dq will be equal to E lambda into D lambda. So by if we take this as second equation, this as first equation, so by putting this value of dq here, we will get E lambda into D lambda is equal to A lambda into E lambda into D lambda. D lambda will be balanced here. So E lambda divided by A lambda is equal to E lambda. So now we see on the last pages, I have told about the Kirchhoff law of thermal radiation. We have studied about it, like the ratio of emissive power by this absorptive power. Ratio of emissive power or absorptive power is of any body. If we take emissive power divided by absorptive power of any body is found to be equal, is found equal to emissive power of a black body, and we have proved it here. Like this is the emissive power, this is the absorptive power, and this one is the emissive power for black body. So this is the proof of Kirchhoff laws of thermal radiation.